Since the world slowed down in 2020, the kitchen became a new kind of space for me. A quiet place to create, to imagine, to grow into parts of myself I hadn't quite explored yet. It didn't just invite creativity, it expanded it. Cooking became this soft stretch of patience, of presence, of love in motion. At first, I was just experimenting. I burned plenty of meals and made some that were flat out awful. But little by little, I found my rhythm. The sizzle of garlic in the pan, the way the steam curls up like a prayer, the soft clink of a spoon against a glass bowl. It all became part of my piece. Cooking takes time, but somehow it gives it back to me. It's a soft reset, a small joy, a moment to be still and love well, even in the little things. Because a meal isn't just fuel, it's comfort. It's love you can taste. Lately, I've been thinking about the future. That one day, I won't just cook for myself or my soon-to-be husband, but for the children we'll raise. For the memories we'll create in a warm kitchen filled with laughter, tiny handprints on the fridge, and music playing in the background. It's emotional knowing this creative space, once just mine, will become something shared, something passed down, a legacy seasoned with love and grace. Do I cook every single day? Nope. Life is full and I give myself grace. But when I do take the time, I slow down. I light a candle, I sip my coffee, I talk to God, and I thank Him for provision, for nourishment, for the ability to pour love into a pan and call it dinner. And that's the beauty of it all. It's not just about the ingredients or the steps. It's about what happens around the table. Now these meal preps, sure, they help us stay on track and feel good in our bodies. But the real joy is in what the food brings. It brings people together. It carries stories, holds space for laughter, and somehow makes room for healing too. Food has a way of wrapping us in comfort, reminding us we're loved, fed, and never truly alone. So wherever you are, watching, cooking, folding laundry, or reheating that same meal for the third time, I hope this reminds you there's beauty in showing up with love, even in the small things. We're making space for joy and holding close the moments that make a house feel like a home. And if this feels like home, let's keep creating and becoming together.